Hi there, I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. Today we're going to start a series on idioms. More idioms, yes, I know. But the objective of these idioms is to help you sound more like a native speaker. Okay, you do want that, don't you? Well then, stay tuned. Okay, so the first idiom we're looking at is crunch time. Crunch time. Does it sound like biscuits too? Or maybe crisps? Crunchy, crunchy crisps. No, it's not about food, although it does sound like food. What does crunch time mean? Do you know? It means a crucial moment when something needs to be completed. Crucial is something very, very important related to importance and time. Okay? So, for example, the team were training very hard, so when it came to crunch time, they would win. When it came to the important moment, they would succeed. We can say it in a negative way. You keep telling me that you're doing all the work, and when we have to do the presentation, when it's crunch time, you don't deliver. Okay? Number 2 is I can't get my head around it. It means I can't understand it. I can't understand. For example, I can't get my head around why Prince Harry would give up his royal status. Can you get your head around why he would do that? Or maybe when you were at school, you couldn't understand something like, I could never get my head around algebra. You might say, I can't get my head around English grammar. But it takes time and practice, and soon we are able to understand something we didn't understand before. And Kat is going to explain the next idiom for us. It's over to you, Kat. Thank you, Shahi, and hello, my lovelies. Okay, so the last idiom is to pull a rabbit out of a hat. To do something magical at the last minute. Okay, so it means to do something unexpected that seemed impossible at first. But it's not related to something on a big timeline. No, it's talking about something last minute. For example, can your favorite football team pull a rabbit out of a hat and win the tournament? Yes or no? Or can Shahi pull a rabbit out of a hat and get 1,000 followers by next week? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure that you have. And so give it a big thumbs up, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this lovely channel. And we will have some more idioms to help you speak like a native speaker. So we started this series this week, and next week we will have some more idioms to help you speak like a native speaker. You want that, don't you? I know you do. Oh, don't forget to check out the links in the description box. They are there to help you speak and understand better English. So I wish you a beautiful, beautiful day. I hope you have a wonderful time. Happy learning. And see you again next week. Also, take care and bye for now.